Today, we will show you which 360 camera you should buy in 2022 in 360. So look around if you are on your phone or on a web browser, or better, watch this in your Meta Quest 2 VR headset. Ricoh Theta X is just released and it completely changed the game in the consumer 360 camera world. It takes 11K 360 photos for virtual tour creation and it shoots 5.7K 360 video with a larger sensor than ONE X2 and GoPro MAX. Check out the Theta X review right here if you have not already. This video will compare Theta X with Insta360 ONE X2, Qoocam 8K, GoPro MAX, Labpano Pilot One EE in 360 video, and with Theta Z1, X-Fade Pro X2 in 360 photo virtual tour. By the end of this comparison 360 video, you can decide which 360 camera you should buy in 2022 to best fit your need and budget. Let's go!
Yo, you're not actually hiding.
It's funny. Okay, good. First, we have Theta X shooting in 5.7K 30 frames per second. It is decent image quality. The lens still have flare as you see right here. When Kitty is crossing the stitch line, you see a stitching problem. You actually see that in all camera as she is within 4 feet when crossing. So it is normal. Theta X has a nice natural color, decent sharpness, and in general, pretty solid 360 video camera. Now we have the ONE X2. ONE X2 actually looks sharper than Theta X, but it still has that action camera over sharpening look. Surprisingly, ONE X2 has no flare. Now we have the Qoocam 8K. The image is softer than ONE X2 and Theta X, but not necessarily bad. It does not have any sensor sharpening on all Qoocam footage, so the overall look is actually very natural and pleasing. You can always add sharpening in post-production. If you don't like to do video post-production, Qoocam 8K is probably not your first choice. Qoocam 8K has the best stitching out of the box. Look at where Kitty crossing. It has the least artifacts and blend really well between lenses. This is the magic of the latest Qoocam 8K firmware. Now we have GoPro MAX. MAX has a nice color, but it is also the worst in sharpness. It also has a massive stitching issue because of the lenses are too far apart compared to other 360 cameras. At last, we have the Labpano Pilot One EE. This is the sharpest among all cameras thanks to its 8K resolution and the 4-lens setup. But its color science is pretty bad. We will need to do lots of work in post-production to fix color and contrast issues. So, Theta X is not dramatically better than older 360 camera like the ONE X2 or Qoocam 8K, but it is slightly better still in color, dynamic range, and sharpness. Its real power though is 4K 60 frames per second. Theta X has the best looking 4K without too much over compressed look. Here we quickly take a look at 360 photo. Not professional HDR photo for virtual tour, but daily 360 photos for outdoor, family, and travel. Here is Theta X. And here is ONE X2 pure shot. Here is Qoocam 8K. Here is GoPro MAX. And here is Labpano Pilot One EE. I think for casual use, Theta X has the best looking 360 photo thanks to its 11K high resolution and improved image sensor. For professional HDR virtual tour, as I mentioned in my official review video, Theta Z1 is still a better choice as you see right here. I hope this video show you the result you are looking for and help you pick the right camera for 2022. I encourage everyone to not just listen to influencers telling you what to buy, but try to come to your own conclusion by watching this video and find the best fit for your needs. If you can't wait though, there will be 2 more consumer 360 camera coming out just after Chinese New Year. You just have to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss that news. The 360 or 180 camera world is getting very competitive again. Well, I will see you in the next video. Ciao.